12th Science, Chapter 12, Aldehyde Ketones and Carboxylic Acids, Part 3, Chemical Properties of Carboxylic Acids. Hello students, I am Madhusina, your chemistry teacher. Watch my YouTube videos, like and subscribe it for further notification. In this video, we will discuss about the chemical reactions of carboxylic acid. The chemical reaction of carboxylic acid takes place in three different ways. First one is the reaction involving the cleavage of OH bond in the carboxyl group. Second category involves the reactions with the cleavage of carbon OH bond. And the third one is reaction involving the whole COOH group. Let us discuss this one by one in detail. Reactions involving the cleavage of COH bond. The first reaction is formation of anhydride. Two molecules of acetic acid or ethanoic acid, when heated in presence of H2SO4 or P2O5, joins together by the loss of water molecules. So you can see from here the carbon OH bond breaks this OH and one of the hydrogen from here is removed as water and it forms ethanoic anhydride. Next is esterification reaction in which this carbon OH bond breaks this OH from here and one hydrogen from here is removed as water molecule resulting in the formation of ester. Third category is reactions with phosphorus trichloride, phosphorus pentachloride and thionyl chloride. In all these three reactions, we can see that there is breaking of carbon OH bond and it results in the formation of the product. The next one is reaction with ammonia. Acetic acid reacts with ammonia to form ammonium acetate, which on heating loses a water molecule to form acetamide. This can be asked as a conversion also, acetic acid to acetamide. The next one is benzoic acid to benzamide. In this reaction also there is the cleavage of carbon OH bond. Let us see this reaction with ammonia with phthalic acid. Phthalic acid reacts with ammonia to form ammonium phthalate. This is ammonium phthalate, which on heating loses two molecules of water to form phthalimide. Phthalimide on strong heating loses a molecule of ammonia to form a closed ring structure, phthalimide. So conversion can be asked phthalic acid to phthalimide or phthalic acid to phthalimide. Next one is reaction involving the cleavage of OH bond. You can see when the carboxylic acid reacts with either sodium metal or NaOH or sodium bicarbonate, the OH bond breaks resulting in the formation of sodium salt of carboxylic acid along with liberation of either hydrogen, carbon dioxide gas along with water. So in all these reactions there is cleavage of OH bond. Reaction involving COOH group. First one is reduction. Now carboxylic acid in presence of common reducing agents or lithium aluminium hydride in presence of ether, diborane etc. gives directly 1 degree alcohol. The next one is decarboxylation reaction. Carboxylic acid loses carbon dioxide to form hydrocarbons. when their sodium salts are heated with soda lime. Soda lime is basically 3:1 mixture of NaOH and CaO. This reaction is also known as decarboxylation reaction. In this reaction, first of all, carboxylic acid is treated with NaOH to form its sodium salt. This sodium salt of carboxylic acid on heating with soda lime forms hydrocarbon having one carbon atom less than the reactant. Example, acetic acid to methane. Acetic acid is having two carbon atoms whereas methane has one carbon atom. So by this reaction we can go for descent of series. Now in carboxylic acids, substitution can also take place in the hydrocarbon part. Let us see it. First one is Hell-Volhard-Zelinsky reaction. Carboxylic acid having alpha hydrogen. Alpha hydrogen here. This is the alpha carbon. So the carboxylic acid having alpha hydrogen are halogenated at alpha position on treatment with halogen in presence of small amount of red phosphorus. Halogen here is either chlorine or bromine to give alpha halocarboxylic acid. Next one is ring substitution. Aromatic carboxylic acids undergo electrophilic substitution reaction in which the carboxyl group acts as a deactivating and meta-directing group. We can see the carboxyl group either when we carry out nitration or bromination, the nitro or the bromo group gets directed towards the meta position. They do not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction because the carboxyl group is deactivating and the catalyst AlCl3 gets bonded to the carboxyl group. Let us talk about the acidity of carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acids are strong acids because of the polar OH group. They ionize readily to give H plus ions and hence behave as acids. The effect of some of the substituents on the acidity of carboxylic acid is as follows. Electron withdrawing groups like Cl, NO2, Cn, etc. increases the acid strength of carboxylic acids. Electron donating or releasing groups like alkyl groups, etc. decreases the acid strength. Keep the following points in your mind. The first point says increase in the number of electron withdrawing group increases the acidity of carboxylic acid. For example, the acidity of the following increases in the given order. Acetic acid is less acidic than ClCH2COOH, is less acidic than Cl2CHCOH, is less acidic than Cl3CCOOH. In other words, we can say that trichloroacidic acid is most acidic. Acidity diminishes as electron withdrawing group is moved away from COH group. So you can see here this halogen is closer to COH group. So it is most acidic, and as it goes on moving away from the carboxyl group, acidity decreases. Acidity increases with increase in electron negativity. You can see FCH2COH is most acidic compared to ICH2COOH. Acidity decreases with the presence of larger alkyl groups. So HCOOH is most acidic as compared to CH3 tri-COOH. Ortho-substituted aromatic carboxylic acids are stronger acids than meta and para-substituted acids. Physical properties of carboxylic acid. The boiling point of carboxylic acids are higher than aldehydes, ketones, ethers and hydrocarbons of comparable molecular masses, as they have extensive intermolecular hydrogen bonding present between them. Higher members of carboxylic acids are practically insoluble in water due to increased hydrophobic attraction of the hydrocarbon part. Lower members are miscible with water as they are capable of forming hydrogen bonds with water. However, solubility decreases with the increase in the carbon chain length. Carboxylic acids are also soluble in less polar organic solvents like benzene, ether, alcohol, chloroform, etc. Benzoic acid is the simplest aromatic carboxylic acid and is insoluble in water.